So today we have a great hike up to Kendall Katwalk. Right here, we're going to be on the PCT probably the whole way. Here's Commonwealth Basin Trail. It's about 65 degrees, partly cloudy. We're going to try to make it up to Gravel Lake, Ridge Lake, and Alaska Lake. And then if you want to keep going, Alaska Mountain, Huckleberry Mountain, Chickaman Peak, and then off the Stevens Pass on the PCT. So here's Kendall Peak. We'll try to see if we can summit that. Here's the catwalk, and then where we kind of turn around, head back. So it could be a good day. Their map, trail information, Kendall Katwalk during construction, after construction. So it's actually kind of cool. Officially opened in 1978. So going to be a pretty good hike. So we just passed about 8 volunteers on the PCT doing some trail maintenance. Guys are cutting out the blackberries and getting the trail ready. So far it's been pretty easy grade. Hasn't been too bad. It's been a nice easy walk. We're going to attempt Kendall Peak when we get there. So I'm just going to keep pushing. Just made it through. It's amazing Boulder Field. Got the marmots squawking at us. And some mountains hiding in some clouds. There's Red Mountain right there. So the Commonwealth Basin Trail is probably here, and that breaks off to the left, and you can summit Red Mountain. So we're on our way to the catwalk. It's getting a little warmer, losing elevation right now, and just keep pushing. The Boulder Field is pretty amazing, and it's really cool to be on this PCT for a section. We haven't seen any through hikers yet. I imagine they'd be maybe probably coming this way eventually in early August. So maybe we'll stop and talk to one if we see them. It's great views. Another Boulder Field coming up. Red Mountain, and there's Snoqualmie Ski Summit. Apparently there's a goat up here. Probably run into it maybe. Well, we're taking a little breather. Almost to the catwalk. Just hanging out next to this guy on his cell phone. Nice day for a hike.
Yeah. So, where are you at right now?
It's 12 miles round trip. We're like 6 miles up. Almost. Closing in on 5,000 feet of elevation. There's the snow field on the catwalk. Not so bad.
I wish my dog was.
We ran into the goat here at Kendall Peak. I'm just doing video. I don't care about pictures. We gotta get around it though.
I don't know. I don't want to knock him off the mountain.
We won't. He's leaving. Oh, he's collared. He's got a tracker on. Yep. Oh shit. Oh, the goat, man. Oh, the goat.
Comes up.
I'm heading down back to the catwalk. Saw a goat. Crossed a challenging snow field. Catching that cool breeze. Went down 12-mile round trip. My feet hurt because of these rocks. It's a really rocky trail, and it's long, so walking in a lot of it. But 5 stars for sure, and really enjoyed it. That's all about getting down. Great 360 views. Well, once we get out of this meadow, get out of this Boulder Field, we'll be getting back on some good, well-maintained trail. Take a break. And we got to the trailhead around just after 9:30. And got up to the catwalk right around 2. Time to get down, some food, water. It's a great hike. Recommend it.